So in this problem, we have to determine the ratio of power transmitted by hollow shaft and a solid shaft. That means you have to calculate power transmitted by hollow shaft PH divided by power transmitted by solid shaft. I need ratio of PH by PS. You know the equation to calculate power transmitted. Power transmitted is given by 2 pi N T for hollow divided by 60 divided by power transmitted by solid shaft. Even that is given by same equation, T pi 2 pi N into torque transmitted by solid shaft into divided by 60. And according to given question, so 2 pi and 60, this is common, you can cancel. And according to given question, both the shaft are having same speed. Since both the shaft are having same speed, N for hollow shaft and N for solid shaft will be same. You can cancel out. So you'll be left out with TH divided by TS. And how can you find out what is TH and what is TS? For that, you have to use torsional equation. T by J is equal to tau by R. So once you have to use this equation for solid shaft, second time use this equation for hollow shaft, get the expression for T, substitute in equation number 1, you will get final answer. So first let me calculate what is T for solid shaft. So Ts is given by tau s by rearranging the terms or torsional equation Ts Js divided by Rs. Substitute for T, J and R. So tau s, shear stress for solid shaft. J for solid shaft is given by pi by 32 into diameter of solid shaft to the power 4, pi d to the power 4 by 32, divided by radius of solid shaft, that is given by diameter of solid shaft divided by 2. Simplify this. It is similar to previous problem. Simplify. When you simplify, you will get pi by 16 pi by 16 ds cube into tau for solid shaft into tau for solid shaft. Similarly, calculate what is T for hollow shaft. Equation will be tau for hollow shaft, J for hollow shaft divided by radius of hollow shaft. Substitute. So tau s, Jh is given by pi by 32 into d naught to the power 4 minus di to the power 4 divided by RH is given by outer diameter divided by 2. When you simplify, you can refer previous problem this. You can when you simplify, you will get pi by 16 d naught to the power 4 minus di to the power 4 d naught to the power 4 minus di to the power 4 divided by d naught into tau. Now substitute Ts and Th in equation number 1. Substitute Ts and Th in equation number 1. then you will get Ts Th by Ts is equal to pi by 16 into d naught to the power 4 minus di to the power 4 divided by d naught into tau 4 hollow shaft divided by again pi by 16. This is for solid shaft. D of solid shaft to the power 3 into tau for solid shaft. Cancel common terms, you will get final answer. So when you cancel common terms, pi by 16 is common, you can cancel. Since the material is same, tau h and tau s you can cancel. So we'll write the final expression. And before substituting, I know the equation, what is d naught and yeah, you can calculate what is d naught value is given in the question actually. D naught is 250 to the power 4 minus di, which is unknown, divided by d naught, again 250. This is for hollow shaft, and for solid shaft diameter is 150. That means ds is 150. So in the entire equation di is unknown. So somehow if you find out value of di and substitute in this equation, you will get final required answer. So to calculate di, what I will do is, so according to given question, it is given that weight of solid shaft and hollow shaft is same. Therefore, Ws is equal to Wh. Weight of solid shaft and hollow shaft is same. So Ws is equal to Wh. What is Wh? Similar to all the previous problem. Pi by 4. I'm writing final answer. I'm substituting directly. Area into length of solid shaft, diameter of solid shaft, into weight density of solid shaft is equal to, for hollow shaft, pi by 16 d naught to the power square minus di square di to the power 2 into length of hollow shaft, weight density of hollow shaft. Cancel common terms, you will get di value. So if you cancel common terms, your pi by 4 is common. This one has to be pi by 4, okay, not pi by 16. Pi d square by 4. Pi by 4 is common. Length of the shaft is common. Length of solid shaft and hollow shaft is common. It is given. Since material is same, its density will be same. Therefore, ds square is equal to d naught square minus di square. Substitute, you will get value of di. ds is 150. 150 square is equal to d naught is 250. It is given in the question. Outer diameter of hollow shaft, it is 250 square minus di square. Therefore, you will get value of di as, final answer I am writing, you will get di as 200 mm. Substitute this di in above equation, you will get final answer. So by substituting di in above equation, you will get th by ts is equal to, what is the equation? Equation is 250 to the power 4 minus 200 to the power 4. 250 to the power 4 minus di is 200 to the power 4 divided by d naught is 250, entire term divided by ds to the power 3. ds is 150 to the power 3. 150 to the power 3. So what I did is I substituted value of di in this equation. This one has to be
Sir.
150 to the power 3. This
Sir.
is di to the power 4.
Sir.
Yeah,
I got DIS 100, sir.
we're getting di value 100. ds is 150. D naught is 250. So if you substitute and if you take square root, obviously you have to get di as 200, I think. 250 square minus 150 square. 250 square.
Sir, square will be all square will be cancelled, sir.
Square root will not cancel. Here square root will not cancel. You have to di square is equal to 250 square
No,
minus
sir.
150 square.
Sir, 250 minus DI whole square.
It's not whole square. Whole square is different.
I'm taken, sir.
You cannot take. Whole square is different. Individual term squaring is different. So here what how to simplify is 1 second, we'll complete the solution and we'll tell you. So di is 200 mm. So when you substitute, final answer you will get 2.73. 2.73. And the meaning of this answer is torque transmitted by hollow shaft divided by torque transmitted by solid shaft, which is equal to power transmitted by hollow shaft by power transmitted by solid shaft is equal to 2.73. Its meaning is by using same material, same length, by using shaft, I can transmit a power 2.73 times greater than solid shaft because pH is equal to 2.73 times power transmitted by solid shaft. So by using one hollow shaft, I can transmit 2.73 times more power compared to solid shaft. This is the final meaning of the answer. And coming back to your doubt, 1 second.